Introduction. The Urban Service is a housekeeping facility management and deep cleaning service company co-founded by Sadhna A. Sodha, an experienced professional in the industry. Established in 2018 and based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, the company employs a total of 470 people, and also service provide in Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, Bangalore, Ahmedabad all over Gujarat. The Urban Service Housekeeping and Facility Management and Deep Cleaning Service is a premier cleaning company dedicated to providing top-notch services to our clients in urban areas. We understand the importance of a clean and healthy environment, and our team is committed to delivering exceptional results every time. With a focus on professionalism and customer satisfaction, our housekeeping and facility management and deep cleaning service goes above and beyond to meet the unique needs of each client. Whether you require regular maintenance cleaning, deep cleaning, or special services, we have the expertise and resources to handle it all. Our trained and experienced staff use eco-friendly products and state-of-the-art equipment to ensure the highest quality of cleaning while minimizing our impact on the environment. We take pride in our attention to detail and strive to exceed expectations with every service we provide. The Urban Service Housekeeping and Facility Management and Deep Cleaning Service, we believe in making your space shine. Let us take care of your cleaning needs so you can enjoy a fresh, healthy, and welcoming environment. Contact us today to experience the difference our professional housekeeping and facility management and deep cleaning service can make in your urban space. We providing service, housekeeping service. The Urban Service for Housekeeping offers a range of convenient and professional services to help you maintain a clean and organized home. Our team of dedicated professionals is committed to providing top-notch service tailored to your specific needs. Whether you need regular cleaning, deep cleaning, or special services like laundry or organizing, we've got you covered. Let us take care of the dirty work so you can enjoy a sparkling clean space without lifting a finger. Trust the Urban Service for Housekeeping to keep your home looking its best. Deep Cleaning Service. The Urban Service for Deep Cleaning is your go-to solution for all your cleaning needs in the bustling city. Our team of dedicated professionals is equipped with the latest tools and techniques to ensure a thorough and efficient cleaning process. From deep cleaning your home to tidying up your office space, we are here to make your environment sparkling clean and fresh. Say goodbye to dirt and grime, and hello to a pristine space with the Urban Service for Deep Cleaning. Upholstery Cleaning. The Urban Service for Upholstery, where we specialize in reviving and refreshing your furniture with expert care and attention to detail. Our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to restoring the beauty and comfort of your upholstery, whether it's a beloved armchair, a cozy sofa, or a stylish ottoman. We take pride in our craftsmanship and use high-quality materials to ensure that your furniture looks as good as new. At the Urban Service for Upholstery, we understand the importance of creating a welcoming and cozy atmosphere in your home or office. That's why we offer a wide range of fabrics and designs to choose from, allowing you to customize your furniture to suit your personal style and preferences. Whether you prefer classic elegance, modern sophistication, or eclectic flair, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. When you entrust your upholstery to us, you can rest assured that you are in good hands. We handle each project with care and precision, paying attention to every detail to ensure a flawless result. Our goal is to exceed your expectations and provide you with furniture that not only looks great but also feels comfortable and luxurious. So if your furniture is in need of a makeover, look no further than the Urban Service for Upholstery. Let us help you transform your space and create a cozy retreat that you'll love coming home to. Get in touch with us today to schedule a consultation and discover the endless possibilities for your upholstery. Services offered. Number 1. Residential Cleaning. Our residential cleaning services cater to homeowners, apartment dwellers, and condominium residents seeking immaculate living spaces. We offer regular cleaning, deep cleaning, move-in, move-out cleaning, and post-construction cleaning services to ensure homes are pristine and welcoming. Number 2. Commercial Cleaning. The Urban Service specializes in providing commercial cleaning solutions for businesses, offices, retail stores, restaurants, and hotels. Our services encompass comprehensive cleaning of offices, common areas, restrooms, lobbies, and other commercial spaces to maintain a professional and inviting atmosphere for employees and customers. Number 3. Facility Management. We offer facility cleaning services for a wide range of establishments, including educational institutions, healthcare facilities, government buildings, and recreational centers. Our trained professionals employ industry best practices to ensure facilities are clean, sanitized, and compliant with regulatory standards. Number 4. Deep Cleaning Services. In addition to routine cleaning, we offer specialized deep cleaning services designed to tackle tough dirt, grime, and stains. Our deep cleaning services cover all surfaces, fixtures, and equipment, leaving spaces thoroughly sanitized and refreshed. Key features: 1. Customizable packages. We understand that every client has unique cleaning requirements. Therefore, we offer customizable cleaning packages tailored to meet individual needs and preferences. 2. Eco-friendly practices. The Urban Service is committed to sustainability. We utilize environmentally safe cleaning products and methods to minimize our ecological footprint and promote a healthier environment for our clients. 3. Professional staff. Our team consists of trained and experienced cleaning professionals who undergo background checks and adhere to high standards of professionalism and reliability. 4. Flexible scheduling. We offer flexible scheduling options to accommodate the busy lifestyles of our clients. Whether it's during weekdays, evenings, weekends, or off-peak hours, we strive to meet our clients' scheduling needs. 5. Quality assurance. We have stringent quality assurance measures in place to ensure consistent service excellence. Regular inspections, customer feedback mechanisms, and responsive customer service channels help us maintain the highest standards of quality and client satisfaction.